Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I will show you how to use Syfe Trade to buy and sell all your favorite meme stocks and other stocks of course. I will tell you how to sign up, find your account, buy stocks, and if you have paper hands and want to sell, I will also show you how to sell and withdraw the money back to your bank account. Sounds good? Alright, let's start right now. First thing first, if you don't have a Syfe Trade account, you will need to sign up first. Duh. Right now, you can only use Syfe Trade on Android or iOS, so you will need to download the app first. When signing up, if your friend has a referral code, you can just use their code because they will get the Thai fund money by referring you. But otherwise, you can just use my code Kelvin and I will get the Thai fund money instead. Anyway, after you log in, Syfe be like, "Irashaimase," like that Sushi Express waiter whenever you enter their shop. But why this one is the ROBOADVISOR page? Relax lah, I will show you how to get to Syfe Trade. At the top right side, click the settings button, then click Syfe Trade. Here, you will need to do some onboarding journey. So just tap on complete now, then fill in all your info. Halfway through, they will do some financial assessment, like whether you have finance-related qualifications or invested in stocks previously, or have relevant working experience. If you answered no to all three of them, GG lor, you cannot open account lor. Just kidding, there's a way around it. And no, it's not by lying. I know some people do that. Naughty yeah? If you don't qualify now, the correct way is actually to go through SGX online education, then send the test results back to Syfe. Anyway, for this tutorial, I'll just assume that you qualify, yeah? So let's go to the next step, funding your account. To fund your account, tap on the settings button on the top right. My funds, add funds. There are three ways to fund your account: Pay Now, Fast Gyro, or Wire Transfer. I'll just show you how to use Fast Transfer instead. Okay, let's go to your bank app. I'm using POSB, so I'll show you how to do it in POSB. Here, tap on Pay and Transfer, add local recipient, bank account. For recipient's name, go to Syfe Trade, copy Syfe Client HGD account, head back, paste it in. For bank, Syfe Trade shows HSBC Corporate, so I'll head back and look for HSBC Corporate. For account number, head to Syfe Trade, copy the recipient account number, head back, paste it in. Okay, now I have to give you guys a warning here. Don't use my account number. Everyone's account number is different. I've made several tutorials in the past and sometimes I get random people depositing money into my account. So use your account number, don't use mine. If everything is okay, tap next. Check everything is correct, then add recipient. Let's transfer some money over. Okay, if it's the first time you transfer over, Syfe has a promotion. If you transfer $1,000 over, they will give you $30. It ain't much, but it's honest work. So I'll just transfer $1,000. Scroll down, for comments, you can just leave it blank. Then tap next. Check everything is alright, then confirm. Go back to Syfe Trade, then tap I have transferred. Now, you just have to wait for your funds to arrive. If it's during business hour, the funds will arrive within a few minutes. But if it's during the weekends, the funds will only arrive the next business day. Next, I will quickly show you how to convert your HGD into USD. At the top right, tap on settings button, My Funds, Convert Currency. Then just choose how much you want to convert, then confirm. Okay, now you are ready to buy stocks and what big. But before that, I'll quickly show you how to look for your stocks. At the top, tap on search button, then just search for your stock. For example, Apple. You can bookmark the stock by tapping on the heart icon, then add it to your watch list. If you go back to the main page, you'll see that my Apple stock has been added. Okay, to buy stocks, just tap on the stock. You'll see your stock price and some simple chart here, nothing too fancy. At the bottom, tap on Buy. At the top right, you can change your order types. Here, you will see 4 order types. Let me quickly explain all of them. Buy in dollars with market order. You can use this to buy fractional shares. So let's say if you have only $10 to buy your stock, no problem. You can buy your stock with just $10. Next, buy in shares with market order means you buy at the current market price. So let's say if Apple is $150 now, then you buy at $150. Or if Apple is $200 now, then you buy at $200. For limit order, you can set what price you want to buy the stock at. For example, if Apple is at $200 now, you can do what you always do in carousel and lowball them. You set the buying price at $10. Can, no problem. But you wait long because right now, nobody wants to sell Apple to you at $10. So if you want to use limit order, set a more reasonable price. Finally, for stop order, you can set a stop price above the current market price. If the stock suddenly goes past your stop price, they will quickly buy a stock at the current market price. Which you use is totally up to you, but personally, I will only use market order or limit order. Okay, I'll just show you how to buy in dollars instead. Just enter how much money you want to use, they will show you how much share you will get. If you're alright, just select to buy. After that, if you want to check your orders, you can go to settings, order details. My order is here. If you successfully bought your stock, you will also see them in your portfolio. Here's my Apple that I've bought just now. So that was how to buy your stocks. Now imagine Apple goes up to $1,000. Imagine only it haven't go up to $1,000 yet. If you want to sell a stock, tap on your stock, tap sell. The order types are the same as just now. Choose your order type, enter the amount that you want to sell, then swipe to sell. Check everything is okay, then sell. Finally, if you want to withdraw your money back to your bank account, here's how to do it. Tap on settings, my funds, withdraw funds. All my funds are in USD. I want SGD, so I'll go back, convert currency. Choose convert USD to SGD, enter the amount, then convert currency. Once you are done, go back to withdraw funds. Choose your reasons for withdrawal. Oh, there's no I'm a paper handler here. So just choose anything you want. Choose SGD, then enter how much you want to withdraw. Then you will need to add your bank details. So tap add new, choose your bank. For Swift code, you can easily search online. For example, if you want DBS Bank Swift code, just search for DBS Swift code. Copy the Swift code, paste it in, then enter your account number. Tick to confirm that the bank detail is correct, tap save, then confirm. Finally, tap request withdrawal, confirm. The funds will arrive within 1 business day, so you have to wait for a bit, So anyway, that was a super quick tutorial on how to use Syfe Trade. Hopefully, you find it useful. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.